Dear friends, in this video we are going to see about pivot table. What do you mean by pivot table? Pivot table is a tool which is available in Excel to draw graph and table easily. Let's see how to do that. First select the data. Go to insert ribbon, pivot table, the first option, and a dialog box will open. It will ask you whether you want to open a results in another sheet. Just give OK. So the table is ready. Now you have to pick up the items in each and every columns. So you can see the value here. So always the value should be in amount, right? And then in the column row label you can add the sales representatives or any other variables. So you can see the table here. You can see the table here, right? Yeah. Then if you want to add month-wise data, so you can add the column here, column label. So you can see that January, February, March. The only thing you should keep in mind that there should be a logical reasoning between these items which you're going to pick up in row-wise or column-wise, right? So if you want to convert the table into region-wise, just drag this out, salesperson, and then I want to put it in the row as region wise. You can see north, east, south, west, see each and every region what is their values. Then you can go for aligning the table as per your requirements. Go for borders or changing font or everything, whatever things you want you can do it, right? Or now I want each and every average of the value, so that also possible. See, default you have the total value. Now what we can do, you can click here, small ribbon will be there, just click that field settings, just click that. You can see the value should be sum. If you want count, if you want average, select average and click OK. So you can see the value has been given to average, right? The same method has been given here in pivot design or pivot tools. Select the option, see summarize value by sum. So you can do here also. Now we will move on to pivot chart. So how to do the chart? Just click the chart ribbon. From the table or from the data which are prevailing in the table, it will draw a chart. So I want to draw a line chart. Click OK. So you can see the line charts of each and every employees, right? And in the chart, if you want, you can add the values, add data values, or if you want you can add trend lines, right? So linear trend line, so linear trend line will be there. And the most interesting aspects in pivot table is whenever you change any data in the pivot table, automatically the diagram will change. See here. So if I don't want salesperson, I want a region. So you can click region. Region wise we can be able to get the data, north, east, west, south, right? So you can easily copy the table using Control C. Now we will see the option called slicer. So go to option, so insert slicer. Slicer is nothing but it's a filtering option. So easily you can filter according to your data, as well as the changes will be happening in your diagram. So month wise, salesperson wise, I want to filter. Just click OK. There will be two dialog box will be there. Now I want to see the performance of January. I can see that. I want to see the performance of February. I can see that. March. So simultaneously the data as well as the diagram will change. So now I want to see the performance of March as well as January. So press the control key and click January. This 2 month will be enabled now. So you can see that. The same manner, whenever your filtering option is enabled, you can see the filter has been enabled. If you remove or clear all the filters, just click there. Automatically all the filter has been disabled. Now we can see the performance of some few employees. So I can remove the 3 of the employees. So this is the remaining 4 employees performance. I hope you understand from this what do you mean by pivot table, what do you mean pivot chart, and how it will be useful for drawing a diagram as well as graph, and what is the important purpose of slicer.